Feminine energy isn't just about wearing pink and flowers in your hair. It is an intense force that exists in all of us and is related to compassion, creativity, and vision. In this video, we'll explore at how to deal with the multiple benefits of your feminine energy and activate it. Let's analyze the concept of feminine energy. Everybody has both masculine and feminine energy, thus it isn't about gender. Feminine energy is often linked with qualities like intuition, a strong inner sense of knowing, creativity, the capacity for creative and imaginative self-expression, nurturing, showing compassion for oneself and others. Sensuality is the ability to notice pleasure and beauty in the surroundings. Flow, adapting to change and experiencing life with grace and simplicity. Benefits of activated feminine energy. You may change your life significantly by letting your feminine energy into action. You might possibly experience increased awareness and decision-making skills, greater self-love and confidence, stronger relationships with others, improved capacity for creativity and problem-solving, a greater feeling of calm and well-being. Activating your feminine energy. Now let us examine several possible ways to find your inner goddess. Move your body. Movement activities that encourage a sense of flow, such as yoga, dance, or even stretching, can help you feel more attached to your body. Connect with nature by going outside, soaking up the light, and feeling the energy of the earth. Engage your senses by lighting a scented candle, enjoying a delicious meal, or listening to relaxing music. Enjoy the beauty around you and give in to your senses. Take care of yourself. Give your body what it needs by eating a balanced diet and getting enough sleep. Make yourself a relaxing day at home, have a relaxing bath, or engage in any other relaxing activity. Take up creative activities. Try writing, painting, music, or any other creative expression that inspires you. Accept your gut feelings. Trust your inner knowledge and pay attention to your gut feelings. To develop your intuition, try writing or practicing meditation. Make connections with other females. Be in the company of strong, independent women. It takes time to discover your feminine nature. Celebrate your successes. Have patience with yourself. And don't be hesitant to try different things until you find what works best for you. I appreciate your participation in this journey to discover your inner goddess. Please leave a comment below with your favorite strategies for carrying your feminine energy to life. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video in order to see more information on personal growth and self-care.